The Spot Heal and Brush tool works like any brush. It means that you can adjust its tip size, hardness, and other parameters. Choose one from the 3 available parameters: Content Aware, which is your parameter of choice, Proximity Match, which might work if the first one fails, and Create Texture, which is almost useless. So, when you click it on the image, the algorithm you've chosen determines how to replace the area you've clicked it on or dragged it over, and paints it over with some content. Content Aware means that it analyzes the content around and modifies it in its own way, and you get some new texture. We'll be talking about this whole matter in more detail later, but for now it's not very relevant. So if there's a zit somewhere on the skin and you click on it, it will most probably be filled with the clear skin around, which is good, and this is how it works. The Heal and Brush tool requires a bit more of your attention to be used properly. First of all, you have to set a source area by clicking it on an image while holding the Alt button. From now on, the tool will be using this texture and it will transfer it to the areas where you choose to click it or drag it next, adjusting the color and tone to blend the results in. If you tick the aligned box, the source will move as you move your mouse and click with it. No tick, and it will return to the point you've set initially as soon as you release the mouse button. Both ways are useful in their own way. Both Heal and Brush and Spot Heal and Brush tools can be set to work in the normal mode or the replace mode, or any other blending modes, but I don't think you really need them. In the normal mode, the tools try to do some blending of the color and tone, so you can basically get a sample from black texture and use it on white texture without making it black. It sounds like a great thing, but in reality it often leaves weird looking spots. If you set the Heal and Brush to work in the replace mode, it becomes a clone stamp tool. The Patch tool allows you to select an area and then replace its contents by pixels from another area that you choose, with all the color and tone matching, of course. So it works in 2 steps: select an area and then move it to another destination. The source mode, which is the default mode for this tool, means that the area that you select will be filled with something else after you move your selection to pick a source. If you switch it to destination mode, the area that you selected initially will be used as a destination.